Are you tired of your Discord server looking like everyone else's? Learn how to upload custom stickers in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps from opening Discord to uploading your sticker. Let's start. Start by opening Discord and making sure you're in your server. Then, click your server's name in the top left corner to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Server Settings to access your server's configuration. Now, in the Settings menu, click on Stickers to open the Sticker Management page. Click the Upload Sticker button to begin adding a new sticker. Then, choose your sticker file from your desktop and upload it. Next, select a related emoji that will represent your sticker. Enter a name for your sticker in the provided field. Finally, click Upload to save your sticker to the server. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.